Deep in the enchanted forest, our curious friend found something mysterious. A glowing scroll floated gently above a treasure chest, locked tight with golden magic. The scroll slowly unrolled, shining with magical light, and revealed the very first riddle. Listen carefully.
Listen carefully. I change my shape every night, yet I'm always in the sky. What am I?
Look! The moon glows, changing from crescent to full. Yes! She pointed happily. The answer is the moon. The first golden lock clicked open with a sparkle of light. The scroll shimmered again with the second riddle.
I move without legs. I sing without a mouth. I sparkle under the sun. What am I?
She smiled proudly. It's the river. The second lock burst open, glowing brighter than before. The scroll glowed once more with the final riddle.
I am invisible, but you can feel me. I dance with the leaves. What am I?
She laughed with joy. Of course! It's the wind! The last lock exploded into golden sparkles. The chest was free at last. Slowly, she lifted the lid. Golden light poured out. Inside, she found not gold or jewels, but a magical mirror.
The greatest treasure is you.
Glowing words appeared above it. She gazed into the mirror, smiling brighter than ever. She waved happily, her heart full of joy.
Stay curious. Keep learning.
And the sky whispered. She smiled warmly as the enchanted forest glowed around her. And with a swirl of sparkles, the magical story came to an end.